Hey, how's it going, fam? Welcome to Tuesday Seeds. In today's episode, Uriah Israel will be sharing with us some key tips and need-to-knows as we close out summer and enter into fall season. So please stay tuned.
Hey everybody, hey, this is Uriah out here getting my walk in, man, and it's like a little bit cooler now. I just wanted to remind everybody that something big happens on September 22nd in the Western Hemisphere. It's called the autumn equinox, and that's basically the change of the seasons, right? And so this is the time, you know, the sun is a little bit lower in the sky as we start getting closer and closer to the winter solstice. So the leaves begin to change colors, a lot of leaves begin to fall, and this is a good period now to harvest the leaves that fall from the trees for your compost. And if they fall in your yard and there are not too many of them, a lot of people like rake them up and do all kind of things with them, right? I strongly suggest that you leave some of the leaves there on your field and allow them to break down into your soil and better your soil. So yeah, fall season, that's what we're dealing with. The temperatures are going to drop a little bit, and this will allow you to plant. If you haven't, I would strongly suggest that you plant like cool season, some of your cool season crops, some leafy greens. Go ahead and put them in the soil. This is a great time of the year. I love the fall. We're right here. As I'm walking through this park, I can see that some of the leaves, they're starting to yellow up a little bit, and they're beginning to change and actually drop if it's a deciduous tree. Deciduous meaning that they lose their leaves every year. And so this is just a great time of the year. The mornings are cooler. So yeah, go ahead and get that cool season garden prepared, your fall season prepared, fall season garden prepared, and I'll see you soon.